Imagine a single weak password costing millions. Here's the shocking part. Risk management could have stopped that cyber attack before it even began. Risk management in cybersecurity means spotting dangers before hackers exploit them. Real companies like IBM, Cisco, and Palo Alto Networks use powerful tools to predict and prevent breaches. But that's not all. Governments and banks rely on risk frameworks to protect critical systems. Think of risk management as a hidden radar scanning for threats. What happens next will surprise you. It identifies weak points, ranks them, and fixes them before attackers strike. Breaking myths. Risk management isn't just paperwork. It's a powerful shield against ransomware, phishing, and insider threats. Here's the warning. Ignoring risk management leaves businesses open to unbelievable losses. The amazing twist? Companies that embrace it gain resilience, customer trust, and investor confidence. Discover how industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce are transforming with AI-driven risk tools. Next, imagine AI predicting cyber attacks in real time. This secret revolution could completely change how organizations defend data. Risk management isn't just a checklist. It's the powerful backbone of cybersecurity survival. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights. And tell us, which risk management strategy do you believe will be most effective against future cyber attacks? And why?